Money is the most powerful force in the world. It decides where we live, how we eat, who succeeds, who struggles, and how our future unfolds. Yet most people spend their entire lives working for money without ever learning how money actually works. We are trained to study subjects we never use, memorize information we forget, and chase jobs that barely cover the rising cost of living. But we are never taught how to build wealth. And that is not an accident. It is a system designed to keep most people dependent, while a small group understands the rules of the game and wins every time. Today, financial pressure is at an all-time high. Inflation is rising, prices are exploding, debt is increasing, and savings lose value every year. Millions of people are working harder than ever, yet falling further behind. But there is a secret the wealthy already know. You don't get rich by working more. You get rich by learning how money moves. Wealth is created through leverage, not labor. Through skills, investing, online income, ownership, and smart financial planning. Not by trading every hour of your life for a paycheck. The world is changing faster than ever. Entire industries are disappearing, new opportunities are exploding online, and wealth is being transferred every day from those who don't understand the system to those who do. And right now, the biggest opportunity in financial history is unfolding. The chance for ordinary people to build freedom through investing, digital income, and financial intelligence. This video will teach you exactly how the wealthy think, how they invest, and how you can start building real wealth from any country, any background, starting with nothing. The choice isn't whether you can become wealthy. The choice is whether you are willing to learn the rules that the rich follow and the world never teaches. School teaches us how to work for money, not how to make money work for us. We're taught to get good grades, get a safe job, and save what we earn. But saving is the slowest and weakest way to build wealth. While we save, inflation eats our money, taxes take a portion, and expenses rise. Meanwhile, wealthy people don't save money. They use money to buy assets that grow. They invest in businesses, real estate, stocks, digital assets, and income-producing systems. The system needs workers, not wealthy thinkers. Governments rely on taxes, companies rely on employees, and banks rely on people borrowing money. That is why the education system was never designed to teach financial freedom. If everyone learned how to invest, build online income, and multiply money, the world would change completely. And that's exactly why most people never learn the truth until it's too late. The wealthy follow a simple formula. 1. Increase income. 2. Reduce expenses. 3. Multiply money through investing. 4. Build assets that earn money while you sleep. 5. Own, don't rent. Create, don't consume. The difference between the rich and the poor isn't intelligence. It's information. And once you understand financial strategy, your entire future changes. There are only 3 real ways wealth is built today: skills, investing, and leveraged online income. If you learn valuable skills, such as marketing, video editing, coding, sales, trading, or AI automation, companies and clients will pay premium rates. High-income skills can multiply your earning power without needing a degree or approval. But income alone isn't enough. You must invest. Wealthy people invest consistently, not occasionally. It doesn't matter if you start small. What matters is that you start. Investing in stocks, index funds, real estate, digital assets, or businesses allows your money to grow without your time. While most people chase jobs, wealthy people chase assets that pay them forever. And finally, the fastest growing opportunity, online income. The internet has created digital leverage, earning money through content, automated businesses, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, freelancing, online courses, AI tools, and monetized platforms. One piece of content can be watched 1,000,000 times. One online product can sell forever. One skill can serve clients worldwide. It has never been easier to create income without permission, and those who learn it now will control the future. Why the middle class is disappearing. Today, the middle class is shrinking faster than at any time in history. People work full-time jobs, sometimes 2 or 3, yet still struggle to survive. The cost of living is rising far faster than income. Housing is unaffordable, education is expensive, medical bills are crushing, and debt has become a lifetime sentence. But the truth is simple. The system is not broken. It is designed this way. The financial system rewards debt, not discipline. It encourages spending, not saving. And it punishes those who work for wages instead of building assets. Inflation silently steals money from working families, pushing them deeper into struggle, while those with investments watch their wealth increase. When prices rise, most people lose, but asset owners win. That's why the rich get richer even during crises. In the past, working hard was enough. Today, effort alone doesn't matter, strategy does. Grinding without direction keeps people trapped. The wealthy understand leverage. They use money, tools, technology, and automation to multiply income. The average person trades hours for dollars. The rich build systems so money flows even while they sleep. The middle class collapses because they follow outdated rules. Go to school, get good grades, find a stable job, work 40 years, retire at 65. But the world changed, technology changed, economics changed, opportunity changed, yet the advice stayed frozen in time. If you want a different life, you must learn different rules. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about education the system never teaches. The real difference between rich and poor. The difference between the wealthy and everyone else isn't talent, luck, or intelligence. It's mindset. Poor and middle-class people think about income. Wealthy people think about assets. Poor people say, I can't afford it. Rich people ask, how can I afford it? One mindset closes the door. The other searches for answers. Poor people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. Poor people spend first and invest last. Rich people invest first and spend what's left. Poor people focus on saving pennies. Rich people focus on earning dollars. Poor people fear risk and lose opportunities. Rich people manage risk and create opportunities. The wealthy understand the most powerful financial rule. Money grows where money flows. Every dollar you control is a soldier. You can spend it on something that disappears or invest it where it multiplies. Most people stay poor because they spend faster than they earn. They buy liabilities, things that take money away. Rich people buy assets, things that bring money back. Wealth begins with discipline. Even $1 invested every day becomes powerful when compounded. Most people overestimate what they can achieve in 1 year and underestimate what they can achieve in 5. If you build consistently, you win. Wealth is not built by genius. It is built by consistency. The formula to become wealthy. Every success story follows the same formula. Learn, earn, multiply, repeat. Step 1. Learn high-value skills. Skills change income. If you learn skills like copywriting, sales, digital marketing, AI automation, trading, coding, UI/UX, video editing, or short-form content creation, you instantly increase your earning potential without waiting for degrees or permission. Step 2. Earn more than you spend. Cut unnecessary expenses. Reduce lifestyle inflation. Increase active income through side hustles, freelancing, consulting, or online services. You don't need to be rich to start. You need discipline. Step 3. Multiply money through investing. Invest in assets, stocks, index funds, ETFs, real estate, online businesses, crypto carefully, or anything that grows without your time. Even tiny amounts become huge over time. Step 4. Build systems and automation. The goal is freedom, not forever working. Digital products, affiliate marketing, content monetization, ad revenue, automated businesses. This is where exponential income begins. Step 5. Repeat until financially free. Small steps daily become massive changes. Consistency beats perfection. Do not wait for the right time. The right time is always now. Wealth is not random. It is built with predictable rules. And anyone, from any country, any background, can build it starting today. How to make money online in 2025. The internet has changed everything. In the past, earning more meant working more hours. Today, you can earn from anywhere, anytime, without permission. The greatest opportunity in human history is here. Digital leverage. The ability to create something once and earn from it repeatedly. People all over the world are making more money online than traditional jobs ever paid, and they're doing it without degrees, without experience, and without huge investment. The only requirement is learning how the system works. Here are the fastest growing online income opportunities in 2025. 1. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and podcasts allow anyone to turn creativity into income. With ads, sponsorships, affiliate deals, and digital products, one piece of content can pay you forever. 2. Freelancing and remote work. Skills like video editing, social media management, design, copywriting, and programming are in huge demand worldwide. Companies would rather hire skill than degrees. 3. AI automation and digital tools. Building automation systems, chatbots, or AI workflows for businesses can be extremely profitable. 4. E-commerce and print on demand. Selling physical or digital products online can scale globally without inventory or shipping. 5. Affiliate marketing. Earn commission by recommending services or products. No product, no customer support, just strategy. The old economy required permission. The new economy rewards creativity and speed. Those who adapt now will prosper. Those who wait will be replaced. Beginner Investing Blueprint. Start today. Investing is not only for the rich. Investing is how people become rich. You don't need thousands to start. You need discipline and consistency. The most powerful investing strategy in the world is simple. Invest early, invest consistently, and let compounding work. Here's a simple beginner plan anyone can start. Step 1. Create an emergency savings cushion. Before investing, have 2 to 3 months of expenses saved. Step 2. Invest automatically every month. Even $20, $50, or $100 monthly into index funds or ETFs grows massively over time. Step 3. Buy assets you understand. For beginners, the safest long-term choices are index funds, S&P 500, total market, blue-chip stocks, real estate crowdfunding, REITs, property investment without owning property. Step 4. Avoid emotional investing. Markets rise and fall. Stay consistent. Step 5. Diversify. Never put everything in one place. The secret is not timing the market. It's time in the market. The most common financial mistakes to avoid. Most people don't fail because they lack opportunity. They fail because they make simple financial mistakes that destroy wealth. If you want to build financial freedom, avoid these traps. Crossmark spending money you don't have. Crossmark buying liabilities before assets. Crossmark taking debt for lifestyle choices. Crossmark saving but never investing. Crossmark depending only on one income. Crossmark trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Crossmark waiting for the perfect moment. The biggest mistake is believing you have time. Time is the most valuable currency in existence. Once spent, it never returns. Every year you delay investing makes your future more expensive. Every excuse you make strengthens the system built to keep you working forever. The world is changing faster than ever. You can either adapt or be left behind. The most successful people aren't the smartest. They simply act while others hesitate. Final message, your future starts now. You are one decision away from a completely different life. Wealth isn't built in a day, but it is built daily. A small step today can transform the next 5 years forever. Imagine where you could be if you invest 1 hour every day learning skills, growing income, building assets, and mastering money. Most people let fear stop them. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of change. But the real danger is staying the same. The world doesn't reward wishes, it rewards action. Your future is not determined by your past, your education, or your situation. It is determined by what you do today. You are more powerful than you realize. Everything you want is on the other side of discipline, courage, and persistence. So stop watching success. Start building it. Learn, apply, fail, grow, repeat. Build online income. Invest consistently. Don't chase approval. Chase your vision. The best investment you will ever make is in yourself. Your time has come. Your opportunity is now. The question is not whether you can. The question is, will you?